I write a poem.
A poem is written by me.
I do not write a poem.
A poem is not written by me.
Do I write a poem?
Is a poem written by me?
Do I not write a poem?
Is a poem not written by me?
Why do I write a poem?
Why is a poem written by me?
Why do I not write a poem?
Why is a poem not written by me?
I am writing a poem.
A poem is being written by me.
I am not writing a poem.
A poem is not being written by me.
Am I writing a poem?
A poem is a poem being written by me?
Am I not writing a poem?
Is a poem not being written by me?
Why am I writing a poem?
Why is a poem being written by me?
Why am I not writing a poem?
Why is a poem not being written by me?
I have written a poem.
A poem has been written by me.
I have not written a
A
poem.
poem has not been written by me.
Have I written a poem?
Has a poem been written by me?
Have I not written a poem?
Has a poem not been written by me?
Why have I written a poem?
Why has a poem been written by me?
Why have I not written a poem?
Why has a poem not been written by me?
I wrote a poem.
A poem was written by me.
I did not write a poem.
A poem was not written by me.
Did I write a poem?
Was a poem written by me?
Did I not write a poem?
Was a poem not written by me?
Why did I write a poem?
Why was a poem written by me?
Why did I not write a poem?
Why was a poem not written by me?
I was writing a poem.
A poem was being written by me.
I was not writing a poem.
A poem was not being written by me.
Was I writing a poem?
Was a poem being written by me?
Was I not writing a poem?
Was a poem not being written by me?
Why was I writing a poem?
Why was a poem being written by me?
Why was I not writing a poem?
Why was a poem not being written by me?
I had written a poem.
A poem had been written by me.
I had not written a poem.
A poem had not been written by me.
Had I written a poem?
Had a poem been written by me?
Had I not written a poem?
Had a poem not been written by me?
Why had I written a poem?
Why had a poem not been written by me?
Why had I not written a poem?
Why had a poem not been written by me?
I will write a poem.
A poem will be written by me.
I will not write a poem.
A poem will not be written by me.
Will I write a poem?
Will a poem be written by me?
Will I not write a poem?
Will a poem not be written by me?
Why will I write a poem?
Why will a poem be written by me?
Why will I not write a poem?
Why will a poem not be written by me?
I will have written a poem.
A poem will have been written by me.
I will not have written a poem.
A poem will not have been written by me.
Will I have written a poem?
Will a poem have been written by me?
Will I not have written a poem?
Will a poem not have been written by me?
Why will I have written a poem?
Why will a poem have been written by me?
Why will I not have written a poem?
Why will a poem not have been written by me?